If you really wanna party with me, do 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 do. I'm already sweating before I even start jogging. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and my vlogs are back, guys. On today's vlog, I'm gonna take you along with me so you can see what I do in a day. I have a jog planned out with a couple of friends. I'm not really that much of a jogger. Okay, I do jog, but I really suck at it. So that's gonna be really fun. I always put myself in these very uncomfortable situations, especially when it comes to my workouts, so I can keep challenging myself to get better. It's gonna be a pretty warm day. I'm really glad about it, but it's gonna be challenging, I know. And the people I'm gonna be jogging with, oh my god, they've been running 8Ks. Oh my god, I can't even do 3. Well, on a treadmill is one thing, but jogging outdoors is something completely different. You know, I don't usually have a big pre-workout meal, but today I'm having a bit more because I'm really feeling hungry. Breakfast, I'm having cornflakes, a cup of coffee. So let's go ahead and have that breakfast so we can get ready. If you haven't done it yet, please take some time to show some love to your girl and subscribe to this channel. And let's get active and kill this workout. Before I leave, let me show you my outfit for the day. Just something comfortable, very, very breathable. This is by Haiba, and this is what I'm wearing today.
Except hustle, hustle.
I finished my workout. We did in total about 3Ks. Obviously I stopped because I couldn't hold my breath. Hey! I just met a friend. My jog. I did stop once or twice maybe, but I'm pretty happy with my performance. It wasn't the worst. It's all about practice, right? You gotta keep practicing in order for your body to get used to it and get better. So I'm looking forward for next Sunday. I'm hoping that I'm gonna run even further, you know. I'm definitely gonna keep, you know, enjoying the day. It's a beautiful sunny day. Check the sky. Sky so blue. Woo! So because I got all pumped up from the jog, I decided to walk home. It's gonna be about a 40-minute walk. It feels so good. not a good jogger, but it was great just pushing myself a bit harder. You know, not every workout is the same. I really try to vary the kind of exercises I do. I do my Muay Thai, I gym, and every now and then it's good to try out some other stuff. Sundays I'm gonna leave it for jogging. I really want to improve my performance. Why not, you know? Oh, my watch doesn't have any battery. Oh. I use my watch to track all of my workouts. It's amazing. I can't live without it. It's my favorite gadget ever. I do have a daily goal that I'm trying to achieve. I want to burn a certain amount of calories per day, and my watch helps me track all of those things. Standing hours, moving hours, and exercise hours. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. I don't have to worry about that. My watch does it for me, honey. You know, when you go on a weight loss journey, it's important for you to have all the tools. And actually, I'm using an app called Lose It to track my macros. Let's see how that goes. I used to use FitnessPal. I don't know why it didn't work out with FitnessPal. It wasn't bad at all. It's a great app. Maybe because I was using the basic version. Probably the people who had the premium version did more stuff. Fast forward to new life, new beginnings. Now I'm using Lose It app, and I actually have the premium version. Namaste. Fantastic. It's day 2. I'll keep you posted on that through my social media and my blog posts. I'll show you exactly how I log my food every day so you guys can have a look at it, and maybe you can have a try. Who knows? You never know. I'm super hungry right now. I'm going for a high protein breakfast / lunch. So,
bruh.
Ugh. Eggs, obviously, I love it. Meat-free with sun-dried tomatoes and basil. I love these sausages. I love my tofu sausages. Some kale, baby spinach. You need some spinach all day, every day. I use it for my smoothies and most of my meals. I cannot live without spinach. Dying for this. This is cheddar style cheese. They sell it at Farm Boy as well. I buy it all the time. I buy the mozzarella and the cheddar. I love this. Oh, yes. Yes, honey, yes. Sunflower seed rye bread. This is delicious. If you like bread and you're looking for a healthier alternative. I love bread, and I was like, I got to find me a nice bread, you know? I'm gonna put a little bit of avocado on the side because I love it and it's great fat, and why not? Bon appetit! Kellogg's Corn Flakes, 100 calories per cup. Click add. Coffee, black coffee. I only had 1 cup. I click on add, and voila! You can just go right here at the top. There's a bunch of things. There's breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, exercise. My exercise is already there because this app is already connected to my Apple Watch, which is awesome. And you're able to set your goal. I have a calorie bonus because I went jogging and I walked for 40 minutes when I came home. It's really easy for you to forget what you had. Do it, you will love it, and let me know how that works for you. I'm gonna go ahead and log my lunch because I'm about to forget what I had. You will not believe, it started raining again, so hence the high neck. I really cannot believe this weather. It was so nice and warm and now it's just raining. Ta-da! Ottawa for you. Ottawa for you. It rains. I'm actually heading off to meet some friends. They're at a barbecue. It's a friend's birthday. I'm still pretty full from my lunch. I'm just gonna have some cherries. I also got these cherries from Farm Boy. When I go on a weight loss journey, I make sure that my fridge is packed at all times. I don't want to run into a situation where I get tempted because I'm hungry. I don't want to do that. So I make sure that my fridge is completely packed with veggies and fruits, and I also have my snacks, and that includes my nuts and, you know, sometimes some crackers, but I mostly snack on fruits and nuts. So I'm gonna have a handful of cherries. Don't they look so pretty, guys? You really can't go unprepared for these kinds of events, you know? You have to make sure that you eat something. You don't want to starve. I want to lose weight, but I don't want to starve. I love food, and there's no way I'm ever gonna starve because I'm going on some crazy weight loss journey. Delicioso. I don't know what the breeze is looking like outside, but when it's raining in Ottawa and we're still not sure about this weather, honey, you make sure you have something warm with you. So I'm wearing this. Some of you have probably seen these leggings on my Instagram. I really love them. This is what happens every day. I have to think in advance when it comes to my meals. It takes some planning. I need to know what kind of veggies I'm gonna be putting together and all of that good stuff. So I'm always planning ahead to make sure that I stick to my weight loss journey, that I eat healthy, that most importantly, I cook at home. A lot of times it's so easy to grab something from the corner store. I don't wanna do that. I don't wanna be that person. I'm done, honeys, done. See you guys soon. Can be late. I'm already late. See you soon. I know this is quite random. Guys, like I can't move my face. It's so tight right now. The last video I uploaded was on my skin routine. I can't even. The last video I uploaded was on my skin routine. If you've had a chance to watch it, you know that I have been complaining so much about my skin lately. I started a new skin routine a couple of weeks ago. I was really happy with it at first, but a few days ago I just noticed some pimples on this side. I don't know if you guys can see it. Like probably with the mask, no. But anyway, I'm having some pimples on the sides of my face. I don't know if it's because of my hair. Sometimes I have my hair down and I feel like there's some sort of friction with my skin. I've got a super sensitive skin, so I need to be very careful with the kinds of products I put on my skin. My hair has chemicals, obviously, because I dyed my hair. I don't know what that might have been. Also, the change in weather, that might be one of the reasons. I have been speaking to quite a few people about skin products to help me fight all of these little bumps that I have on my skin. I feel like it's some sort of rash. That's why you see me with my hair up. When I go to sleep, I always make sure that I put a scarf on so it doesn't come into contact with my face. I am so scared, guys, of trying products on my face because I feel like the less you put on your face, the better. Oh my gosh, I really cannot move my face and I feel like I'm about to drool on camera. I am so sorry. When it comes to my skin routine and products I use, I really don't like extra stuff. I've never been very big with a lot of face products and everything. I love masks. I've been trying a lot of masks lately, hence this situation right here. If you really wanna party me, on some Busta Rhymes stuff in here. Because I've been crazy about these bumps, I've been going to all of these stores trying to find like the best skin products to help me with my current issues, and some of them are offering all of these peeling creams and whatever. I do not like that stuff because in my head, having such a sensitive skin, I don't think it would actually handle peeling creams or peeling gels or whatever it is that they have on the market right now. I feel like very simple solutions like masks or doing the water vapor, which I do every now and then during the week. I'm not any expert when it comes to skin. I simply know how my skin works, and there are certain things that I've been doing for years. All of my life I've found that stuff like really abrasive to sensitive skin types. And you have sensitive skin and you've tried this stuff before, let me know. Maybe I'm not being as open-minded, but to be honest, I am very, very careful with stuff I put on my skin. It's not like I'm going to use it on my feet or some other place on my body. It's on my face. If it burns, I'm done. I literally have dreams these days about waking up with my skin burned because I'm just trying these simple products. Even when I'm going with a new cleanser or a new face mask, just the fact that I'm trying several different products makes me really anxious. I feel like if I could just find like the perfect product line that could give me the results I need, I would be very happy. Seriously, I would. I would love to hear your suggestions. Two of the things I've been obsessed lately is my weight loss journey and my skin. Period. Today I'm actually using the GlamGlow mask. This is the first time I'm using this product. I've had this box since like last year. I got it from Sephora. I really wanted to try this product. It's been so hyped on Instagram, on YouTube, that I really wanted to give it a try. So this is what it looks like. This includes a full-size SUPERMUD clearing treatment, which is actually the one I'm using, GlamGlow SUPERMUD clearing mask. And I'm just using this clearing treatment because I really want to see how it's going to work on my trouble areas. This is a best-selling mask, but then again, they all keep saying best-selling mask this, best-selling mask that. I never go with that kind of stuff, guys. I try it. If I don't like it, I'll say it as it is, because ain't nobody got time for that. I spent my money on it, and I want to make sure that this stuff right here works. When you first use it, you're gonna feel a bit of a tingling sensation. It's not really bad. My first thought was like, oh my gosh, it's actually working. It looks like so. And then when it dries off, this is how it looks. It really feels tight. It's tight. Hopefully this tightness means it's working. It took me a while to try this. I'll let you know in the next video how I feel. This blue one is a hydrating mask, a firming treatment. The black one is an exfoliating treatment. It's been a long vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure had a lot of fun doing this vlog for you. Oh, I can't even smile. And please do show some love to this channel and your girl MJ by giving this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you liked about this video, because that helps me know what kind of content you guys like and you would like to see more of on my channel. Also, take the time to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you know whenever I upload a new video. I'm trying to be as consistent as I possibly can, so I'll be bringing a new video every other week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Keep it healthy, keep it fab, spread love, and keep being fabulous, guys. Just like me with this mask, alabaster rhymes. Ciao. Oh.